Hello, students. School has begun.
I want to know who you're meeting in the cemetery.
I don't have to tell you anything. I don't have to tell you anything.
All right! Said she married a monster on the very last day, and then she turned around and said, I was a teenager, something or other with a Judge 5-man. And my love was in a wild bikini set. Cannibal man in a jungle girl thing.
What do you guys think of that new guy from New York that's coming in this year?
Let's go!
Gentlemen, start your engines, brothers! 3, 2, 1.
Final heat. The top two are going to be winning the $250. Definitely we have Jesse Gibson pulls his flag, and that's going to do it. Let's hear it. The main Earth Black and Darren France.
How you doing, man? You ready? I like the suit, man. Pretty sick.
Yeah, go for the number.
Bond. James Bond.
You ready to hit hard?
Yeah, as hard as you can for as long as you can.
All right, man. Good luck tonight.
Yep. Give away some great prizes during our intermission and slow times, like some Papa Murphy bacon baked pizza, some free free hamburger.
What's up, T-Bone? You ready? Who you lining up with?
Some other things.
Not sure.
Not sure? You gonna hit hard?
Yeah.
Good luck tonight. All right, man.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I love this car, man. Every year, you're badass. You're back. You ready to kick some ass? Who you lining up with? Yeah? You know who you're lining up with?
Corey Hardman, same guy that Cade lined up with last year.
All right, man. Good luck tonight. All right. How you doing?
Doing well.
You ready for tonight?
I'm ready to go.
All right, man. You a little nervous?
Nah.
Not at all?
Nope.
I love it. All right, man. Good luck. Hit hard.
The winners and everything are automated on a screen up here. It's the most unbelievable thing I've ever seen in my life. Thanks to Ben Tanner and his team. And all
How you doing? Hey, you ready? Who you lining up with?
T-Bone.
Pull your goggles over. They're on that one eye. There you go. That looks a little better. You line up with T-Bone?
Yeah.
I hope you crush him, man.
yesterday.
Hit him hard, brother. All right, good luck. How you doing?
Good, buddy.
You ready?
I think so.
Did you kick some ass last year? You gonna do it again?
I'm hoping. Last year was a fluke.
Yeah? You did awesome, bro.
So we'll see what this year brings.
All right, this car behind you looks like it's already been through hell.
That's last year's car.
I know. All right, good luck, man.
Thank you.
Take care. How you doing? Dude, this car looks like it just got out of a derby.
Yeah, it's been in a couple already.
All right, man. You ready to hit hard?
I'm ready, man.
Who you lining up with?
Jason Pappas.
All right, dude. Crush him.
Will do.
All right, bro.
I failed to mention something I feel absolutely awful.
Hey, Pappas. How you doing, brother?
Around right here.
You ready? All right, I'll get this camera on right now for you, all right?
HD system.
Crush this car in front of you, all right? All right, later. How you doing, Jace?
We want to make sure that
All right,
you guys
you ready?
so these guys can see and enjoy.
Who you lining up with?
Just like you guys.
Oh,
are.
shit.
Also, on the red aisle
Who's that?
here, we want to make sure that you're
That's
not
your brother?
emergency exit
Oh, my
aisles.
God. All right, don't hit him too hard.
Bring action.
Talk to you soon.
Snowplow, lawn care, and a cash.
It's Mr. Kobe Oscatorup. Who you lining up with, brother?
Wait, what was that guy's line last? That guy.
This guy?
Wait, you gotta get my eyes again.
Who you lining up with?
That guy.
Who's that?
Chase.
All right, dude, good luck. I got the helmet cam on.
Dude, you're sweating like a beast.
I know, dude.
You can only imagine what I'm feeling like that.
Dude, good luck. Kick some ass, Kobe.
Good luck.